Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to stop messages from going to your MacBook. First off, you need to understand that messages on your iPhone actually come in two different types. One is sent via iMessage using the internet, and the other is sent via your SIM card using your phone number when iMessage isn't available. For example, if someone is using an Android phone, or you get those automated texts from your carrier, those are sent to your phone number. These have nothing to do with iMessage. That is why Apple created a setting on the iPhone called text message forwarding. It pushes those texts over to your Mac. If your Mac and iPhone are signed into the same iCloud account, those texts get forwarded. So, to stop these specific messages, we need to tweak a setting on your iPhone. Here is how you do it. Go ahead and open Settings on your iPhone. Then find Apps and tap on Messages. Scroll down and you'll see an option called Text Message Forwarding. In here, you'll see the Mac devices that are currently allowed to receive these forwarded texts. Just toggle those switches off. And just like that, we've solved the problem for SMS. Your Mac won't receive those types of messages anymore. Now, let's talk about iMessage. If someone else with an iPhone sends you an iMessage, it pops up on your phone and your Mac if you're signed into the same iCloud account. So, here is how to turn that off on your Mac. Open the Messages app. Then go up to Messages on the menu bar and choose Settings. Right here, you actually have to click Sign Out to completely stop using iMessage. Turning off Enable Messages in iCloud won't stop you from receiving texts because iMessage itself is still active. Now, unless you want to stop messages on your Mac for security reasons, if your goal is just to avoid distractions during a meeting or a presentation, you can simply turn off notifications for the Messages app in your system settings instead. That usually does the trick. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next video.